What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on PLTR stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with amazing fundamental news and probably this news might change everything for Palantir in a near-term perspective. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here somewhere at this point and I've told you that we probably might have this type of formation. It is ascending bearish wedge, and this wedge usually breaks to the downside, and probably it is the first initial wave from the bottom, and we have this level of about $6.5 as the lowest point so far. But right here we had this ugly price action, and my main assumption was that probably we should land somewhere lower in order to hit again the range of support. Then we have to form our top of the fifth wave, and then we have to have a major retracement for the entire wave from this bottom to probably somewhere this top. But instead of this, we have this type of price action. Probably we might have this as our fourth wave, and this is the top of our fifth wave. And for now, we didn't break neither this top nor this bottom, and this means we don't have enough information to make next assumption and to decide where we are on the price chart. This means we have these two crucial points in order to see where we might have the next movement. So, and I will continue with my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the amazing fundamental news. First of all, on June the 5th we have this article, and it's titled "Palantir and DocuSign have likely bottomed. Which software stock is the better buy?" And let me quote you the summary. Software stocks have been crushed significantly from their 2021 highs. However, we believe the valuations have been reset. As a result, the application software industry seems undervalued now. Previous high-growth SaaS plays such as Palantir and DocuSign formed capitulation signals in their May sell-offs. Therefore, we believe it portends a significant reversal in sentiments. We discuss why investors should not abandon hope in software stocks now. Their underlying metrics suggest that they could outperform moving forward. We discuss why we rate Palantir and Doku as buys. We also discuss their medium-term price targets and why PLTR is our preferred buy now. And I have to say that it is a very detailed article where we can see the comparison in between these two companies, and it is really important to know what company is the best in author's opinion. And the more this type of comparison we have, the better decision we might make. And let me show you even more impressive news. On their official press release section just yesterday, Palantir posted this press release. Palantir named an overall leader in Dresner Wisdom of Crowds BI market study. And let me quote you this. Palantir Technologies, a leading builder of operating systems in the modern enterprise, today announced it had been recognized as a top performer by Dresner Advisory Service and Palantir's own customers in the 2022 Dresner Wisdom of Crowds Business Intelligence Market Study. In its first year of coverage, Palantir is generally above the overall sample of all categories of measurements and is an overall leader in both customer experience and vendor credibility models, said Howard Dresner, founder and chief research officer at Dresner Advisory. In addition, it is best in class for product scalability and consulting professionalism and has a perfect recommend score. We congratulate Palantir on their excellent performance in our annual analytics and BI market assessment. And definitely it is a huge news related to Palantir because let me show you this report in details, and as you can see it has 200 pages, and in this report we have about 28 companies that were in the list of comparison, and let me show you on the page 138 we have this data. It is a 2022 business intelligence customer experience model, and as you can see on the x-axis we have sales and service. This means companies that are on the right side of this chart has the better sales and the better services for their customers. And on the y-axis we have product and technology. This means the higher the company is, the better product and the better technology they use. And let me show you that Palantir, let me show you it more detailed. Palantir is right here, and only two companies are better than Palantir. It is Target and Dimensional Insight. And I have to say that these companies are privately held company. This means you can buy the shares only of Palantir basically, and that's why it is a very good company overall. Next page you can see 2022 business intelligence vendor credibility model. And let me show you right here. The upper right quadrant contains the highest scoring vendors and is named credibility leaders. Trust leaders, upper left quadrant, identifies vendors with a solid perceived confidence but relatively lower value scores. Contenders, lower left quadrant, would benefit by working to improve customer value, confidence, or both. And let me show you that Palantir is right here, and not so many companies are higher or righter than Palantir. This means Palantir is one of the leaders in this industry. And let me show you that Microsoft, Amazon, Google, SAS, SAP, as you can see, they are on the left side from Palantir, and Snowflake is also on the left side. I have to say that it is very detailed report, and you can download this report and study it by yourself. It is really important to know what company you should invest your money in order to have the highest probable outcome in near future. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? I have to say that in general we have quite bearish sentiment on the market. Let me show you this article. We are on cnbc.com and it was published on June the 7th, and it says World Bank slashes global growth forecast to 2.9%, warns of 1970s style stagflation. And definitely these type of titles are not the best if you want to see more green color on your price chart, but definitely we have to keep an eye on this news because in general we have more bearish pressure on the market right now. So what should we expect next? As I already mentioned, we have two crucial points. It is the top of this probable fifth wave and the bottom of this probable fourth wave. This means when we break one of these levels, it might be a very significant movement because if we will see higher volume than we had previously on previous sessions, it will show us that we have the potential trend at this direction, and this means we have to be very cautious with our current position. And if you want to enter your swing trade position, I don't suggest you to do so because we have decent chances to hit lower prices. But if you want to invest in this company and your investment horizon is longer than 12 or 18 months, definitely you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle, and in this case you will be able to have the highest probable profits for this asset right now. So what are the targets? Definitely we have this previous swing high as our major price target, and it is the price point of 14.93. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna